See how to convert a number from decimal to hexadecimal. First of all, let's see the decimal and hexadecimal numbers, equivalent numbers. So here for decimal is base 10, hexadecimal is base 16. And if you remember, like for binary, we start 0, 1, and the maximum number we are going to have is 1 because it starts from 0. So the two values are 0 and 1, and you will never reach 2. Like it's always less than the base number. Like if the base is 2, the maximum number you can have is 1. And for decimal, it's base 10, so the maximum value you can have is 0 to 9. And hexadecimal, the base is 16, the maximum number you can have is 0 to 15. So here, let's look at the equivalent. If it's 0 in decimal, hexadecimal also 0. If it's 1 in decimal, hexadecimal also 1. It goes up to 9 like that. 2 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 3. Okay, and 4 is equal to 4. 5 is equal to 5. Then 6 is equal to 6. 7 is equal to 7. And 8 is equal to 8. 9 is equal to 9. But 10 in decimal is equal to A in hexadecimal. And 11 is B. And then 12 is C. 13 is D. 14 is E. And 15 is F. And that's the last digit. 15 is the last digit in hexadecimal. So it goes from 0 to F. For decimal, it's only 0 to 9. Here we have 10, but you see, so it's combination of 1 and 0. We don't have any other number that's above than 9. But for hexadecimal, we have A, B, C that's above 9, and it goes up to F. And after that, start from 0 again, right? Because like 9 is the maximum, and then you go back to 0. So that's the only thing you have to know about decimal and hexadecimal. Now let's see the conversion. Let's look at a number conversion. Let's say we have 479 in base 10, and we want to convert this one into hexadecimal. Okay, to convert this one to hexadecimal, what we do is we divide this one by 16. I don't know if you have done conversion from decimal to binary, you divide that one by 2 because the binary base is 2. Same as that, here for hexadecimal, you divide this one by 16. And then you look at the value you get, that is in this case 29.9375, and the remainder. Okay, so here we are going to need some space here. So here this is 29 is a whole number, and the remainder. For binary it was easy. If it's odd number you get a 1, if it's even number it's a 0. But for this one, for hexadecimal, to find the remainder, what you do is you multiply this 16 by the fraction value, this 0.9375. If you multiply that one by 16, that gives the remainder. So in this case, if you multiply 16 by this, you will get 15. That's the remainder for this one. And then you bring this 29, only the whole number, and then divide this one by 16. And here you will get 1.8125, and here 1 is the whole value, and then the remainder you have to multiply 16 by the fraction value. 16 times 8, 0.8125, and that gives us 13. And the last one is 1 divided by 16. For 1 divided by 16, you don't have to actually do the calculation. If you divide, you're going to get 0.0625, but you don't have to do that. Like if 1 divided by 16, you can directly write 0 or 1. Okay, so these are the remainders 1, 13, and 15, and then here we go from bottom to top. 1, and then 13 is equivalent to D in hexadecimal, so 1D, and then 15 is equivalent to F in hexadecimal, 1DF. So the equivalent of 479 is equivalent to 1df in hexadecimal. And that's how we can convert a decimal number into hexadecimal. I'm going to do more examples on converting decimal to hexadecimal. I'm going to do that in my next tutorials. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.